So hi guys, so Jesse, you come to Terminal 3, you just take an accelerator from here, just walk straight. Changi Airport Terminal 3, take an accelerator to 4th floor and you will find this Bikaner Wala outlet. Very convenient location. You would definitely love to explore. They have an amazing range of sweets, and chaat, you name it. Everything is there.
You are in for a great treat.
Yeah.
Happy Diwali! Festival at Bikaner Wala, Changi Airport Terminal 3, organized by Hull Globals Private Limited. 3 cheers for Bikaner Wala! From Bikaner Wala, Changi Airport Terminal 3. Happy Diwali, everybody! 3, 2, 1. We wish you Happy Diwali! Guys, Pratham and Nalini! Hi guys, have you tried jalebi chaat before? It's only available at Bikaner Wala, Changi Airport Terminal 3. Do try it.
Jalebi chaat.
Anarkali for making it to this festival all the way from India. Right. Pink Tiki.
We are at Bikaner Wala at Sweet Tasting Festival. Welcome to Happiness with Hema. Business partner, Miss Suchi.
And today we are at Bikaner Wala, Changi Airport Terminal 3. Together we have organized Sweet Festival. So sending you a lot of sweetness.
Yes, and this event we are organizing, our company is organizing.
Proudly organized by Hull Globals Private Limited.
Marketing and content creation. So, welcome to
Bikaner Wala Sweet Festival.
Here are my sweet, beautiful friends. And look at the display.
It's a sweet festival, so there'll be a lot of sweet talks.
And sweet memories that we
Yeah, we're going to create sweet memories. And this event is organized by Hull Globals Private Limited. Thank you for being here. Thank you for gracing the occasion. Right?
Yes.
It's so beautiful to celebrate it together. Sweets, dry fruits, hampers. They have corporate boxes, Diwali sweets, and Karwa Chauth goodies. Woohoo!
This is
Okay.
see, this is for the
Karwa
Karwa
Chauth.
Chauth. You know that matti,
Yeah.
and I think this is
The
sargi.
Feni. Yeah. Feni.
These are all sweets.
That's for Karwa Chauth as well.
This is for the Karwa Chauth goodie
The
bag.
boxes for your Diwali celebrations.
And
So there's a little goodie bag, some sweets for the participants, the guests who are going to be here at the Sweet Festival at Bikaner Wala, organized by Hull Globals Private Limited.
Yes.
Like, follow, subscribe to Happiness with Hema. Woohoo.
okay.
Thank you so much. That's my husband. All the good stuff. That's what it is. All the good stuff. Rega, we are starting. Come. Hands together, unveiling of Diwali sweets at Bikaner Wala. 3, 2, 1. There you go. Lots of sweets for you to try. Have a good time. Please take a seat. A very good afternoon to all of you from Team Hema and Miss Suchi. A very good afternoon. Hi. So happy to have all of you here. Yeah.
Thank you everyone to be here. And today this event is happening like Sweet Tasting Festival. In occasion of the all festivals, we are welcoming that with this. Diwali it's a pre-Diwali festival
Celebration.
and you can see the variety of sweets here. Yeah? So you got to taste all that.
Yeah. We will make sure you do it.
Yes.
All right. So instead of going through and naming all different types of assorted sweets, because we expected some more friends from different communities, they are not here. So we wanted to go through, name each sweets and ingredients and stuff. So let's do it together instead of like making it that kind of session.
Yeah.
So we just if you know this name, shout. Yeah. All right. So let's start. Yeah.
How about you all guess? Okay,
Yeah.
we'll one by one we'll show you and you guess.
Yeah. All right.
What sweet is this? I think
All right,
this is.
Is it Meethi Mati? Where's Pratham and Nalini? Is it Meethi Mati? Yay! Meethi Mati!
Claps, please.
You will get a goodie bag, a box
Well
of
done,
laddus from
Rivi, come here.
Bikaner.
You have to show it. You have to give your parents because
Meethi
you.
Mati! Thank you! Woohoo! To Meethi Mati.
Okay, the next one.
Guessing it correctly, there you go. Thank
Yes.
you. Woohoo! You got a little gift, right? Yeah. Give it a big hand, everybody. There you go. Thank you. All right.
Okay, next one.
That's Meethi Mati. Next one. What's this called? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. What's this called? Penny, come. Either one of you or two of you. Two of you join.
Three of you come
I
here.
can just take the focus.
Fenia,
All right,
yes.
Penny, join us,
Pooja.
Ranu. Then join us.
Let me tell you,
It's a
Pooja is a TED talker, and Pooja, I would like to, take a little, just 1 minute. Tell me what is this and what is the relevance.
So, Tarfini is popular in various parts of India, but specifically in North India, I think so. It's very popular. And in Jodhpur, Jaipur, Udaipur, Rajasthan, where I come in from, we enjoy and relish it having it with milk. And I think in Punjab, they have it even during Karwa Chauth sometimes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
Karwa
some of
Chauth.
these are Karwa Chauth
And,
goodies, yeah.
For us, this is like sometimes a morning breakfast as well.
Whoa.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Pooja. And goodie bags?
So goodie bag for Pooja and family. Enjoy.
Thank you for coming and
Thank you
good
so
day.
much for gracing the occasion. Thank you. Thank you so much. One photo. Yeah. Thank you so much. Give it a big thing for me. This particular plate. What do you think it is? Ooh, look at the colors!
So that-
Oh my goodness! What's that? Does anybody know?
Any guess, Kavita?
Any guesses? Priyanka, come in
Raghav,
front.
any
Come in
guess?
front. Malai peda.
Very close, I think very close. No.
Okay, another guess.
One
more
last guess.
Chum chum? No. Okay, what is it? What is it? Closer,
It's a
look, take a
mystery.
closer look.
I know it's a mystery. Huh?
Cousin.
Oh,
So today you get to try something new. So it's called and so
Very unique
most
name.
of the Indian sweets are made from milk powder, sugar. Yeah, milk.
and I like the fancy
Sugar.
name.
Yeah, the fancy name. And some pomegranate as well. Yeah. All right. Give a big hand to this particular dish. Anarkali for making it to this festival all the way from India. Am I right? It flew all the way from India.
Okay, one more I want to ask.
Gujia. All of you are getting a box of sweets for this.
You will be getting.
Gujia, yeah.
So Gujia
Alright.
is very famous actually, inside there's a dry fruits, there are very
Yeah,
nice
yeah.
healthy stuff.
The
Mava,
ingredients very,
coconut.
yeah, looks very interesting.
Okay,
Look at the
now
shape.
I would like to-
That does look like something else. What is it? What's that? This does look like something else. Yeah. Curry puff!
Yes.
It looks like curry
I
puff.
think here of, yeah.
Yes, say the name.
It does look
Say
like-
Gujia. Ah, look there. Yeah, please join. Come, Pratham. Okay, so that was a sweeter version of curry puff, Gujia,
Gujia.
which is made from plain flour, sometimes soaked semolina, coconut, some dry fruits in it, and of course sugar is the common ingredient, yeah? But today you don't need to worry about it, just indulge in as many as you can because it's the sweet festival!
No guilt. Thank you.
Alright, thank you Andrew, thank you.
Okay,
Alright, what's
I
next?
think I want somebody to guess this, but don't. Very common. Yes.
So the common ones, everybody's getting a goodie bag for
Yes.
them, yeah.
Everybody will be
Touch
getting,
ice.
and you know what? Yes, I want. Raina, you know what is made of? What this?
What is this made of?
This is made of something very healthy. Cashew nuts. Yes.
How many are there? How many are there? How many are there? Who wants to make a guess? Roughly? 25. Nalini, is that the right answer?
More than, I think.
Nalini? More than 25. 35. Is that the right answer?
Very cute.
Okay. 50. Alright, 50.
So the king ingredient in this one is cashew nut,
Cashew.
which is very healthy for health. Yeah.
Yeah, some of us do make it at home,
Have you
including
guessed this one?
Pooja. I have seen her making it at home. Ooh, look
Malai
at
roll.
that.
Good, Priyanka.
That's my favorite. I love malai
Then
rolls. Yeah.
this is looking very fancy and very cute.
Is that Kheer kadam?
Pratham, what is it? Kheer kadam?
Okay, there are 3 rolls. Let's do it slowly. Okay. The outside, out. Kaju apple, everybody. Kaju lemon, kaju apple. Rose laddu. I have yet to try kaju lemon. Have you?
Wow.
Has anybody tried kaju lemon? Oh, look. All the way from India, specially flown just for all of you. Give yourself a big hand for making it to this occasion, everybody. Thank
Yes.
you so much for your support.
Are you all enjoying it so far?
Yeah, and we are wrapping it shortly, yeah? Sandy can come join us now.
I think
for
this
fun.
fancy. Ooh, Raghav!
Chena with the name.
Chena is like, I think, hungered.
Yeah, but the
Chena.
Malai cha.
Yeah, Malai cha,
Come,
correct.
Shikha Gupta. Add few words to it. That's Malai cha. This
Actually,
is
it is one of the famous Bengali
Come
sweet,
closer.
and it is also one of my favorite. Also, I always go whenever I visit Kolkata. I first have this sweet. Thank you.
okay.
And you have heard Chena. Chena is actually hunkered.
Yeah, that's
so
that's
it's like
what
made
it's
of a
made of.
hunker.
Yeah. So Malai. Can we all say together? Malai cha.
Very
Thank you.
nice.
Thank you. All right.
Okay,
What's
I
the
think
next
no
unit?
brainer. This one. Raina said motichur. Raina, come here. Come here. Come here.
Motichur laddu. Looks so
Pratham, can you hold
fresh.
this?
Look at that.
Yes, so she have guessed it. It's her
That's your
favorite.
favorite, yeah?
It's her favorite. So she guessed it. Motichur. What is it?
You get one motichur laddu before everybody. How nice! Woohoo!
Hold it.
There you go.
And thank you.
Thank you for doing.
Okay, very
Thank
nice.
you,
Raina.
thank you. This is for Diwali. Look at
So
that.
these are
Makes a
beautiful.
really good, great gift. Yeah. In a packed in a lovely boxes.
Beautiful, yeah.
So please make use of it, and there are special benefits. Yes, it's made from pistachios. What is it called? Pista burfi.
Pista Lodge.
Pista Lodge.
Very nice.
Thank you.
They have been
Alright.
very creatively, putting the names. And how
Yeah.
about this one?
And some of the names even I heard it for the first time. Come here. Pink Tiki.
Pink
Tiki. I heard of aloo tikki and other tikkis. Pink Tiki. Alright.
Tikki means sandwich like a burger.
Yeah.
So it is filled with malai inside.
Right, the scream. Who has put in efforts to prepare all the decorations, everything, and the goodie bags together with the team. Pratham here. Everybody, 3 cheers to Pratham. Nalini for organizing this for us so we can start celebrating Diwali before Diwali.
So big round.
Team Bikanerwala.
Team Bikanerwala and Hull Global.
Yeah, so maybe one by one we can go to you and ask you about what's your Diwali wish. Something happy tune. I would like to say thank you to my partner, my beautiful partner, Hema. Thank you so much for being in this journey where we enjoy what we are doing and
Yes.
have fun and spread some happiness around us, right? Once again, a warm welcome to all of you. Stay here, hang on, enjoy the sweets, mingle with each other, network, create and collaborate together. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you, Suchi. Thank you for being there always and creating a beautiful space. And I think this occasion, I humbly thank to each one of you who just came
who
in
made
here,
it all
you know?
the way,
Yes,
yeah.
all the way.
Thanks to
And,
Sweets for
spending
making
a
it all
special
the way
moment
from
with us.
here.
So,
Thank you, Sweets. It's a sweet day.
so we'll be handing over a few spoons and small plates.
Yeah.
So please kindly feel free to taste everything and anything. Okay?
Yeah, all of it.
And enjoy and create good moments.
And also a small request. Our company is new, so whenever you post on social media, please tag us. We have an Instagram page now, and please remember to mention Bikaner Wala. Okay, collaborate with them, tag them. So we together we can enjoy this festival and support each other. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank
You can
you.
have a group picture first. Yeah.
Come.
Nalini, you also come. Pratham, you also.
Hello.
Please join in.
Join us. Welcome. Yay!
Somebody to capture the phone.
Ask someone to come. Emily, you come in. We do a video.
Nena, we are bringing somebody. You have to also join in. Okay.
Okay, 3 cheers to
For
Bikaner
Bikanerwala.
Wala. This is the sweet festival at Bikaner Wala. Happy Diwali, everybody!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip. Hooray! So, वरुण कौन सी वाली स्वीट अब तक आपको अच्छी लगी क्या बताइए?
मलाई रोल.
मलाई रोल. Okay, enjoy. Agha, which one is your favorite so far?
This one. Malai chop or malai roll, I don't know what it is, but yeah. Really nice.
And Raina, what is your pink tikki? You're having pink
What's your favorite?
I just ate it.
Oh, what was that? Kaju katli.
It's a kaju katli. That's very healthy one. Good.
I'll eat in a while.
So, have you started tasting? Get back to you. Ranga, what is where's your plate?
He's getting. I think he'll get some savory thing. Yeah.
So,
Good.
tasting is start. Andrew, would you like to tell me
In a while.
which one your favorite
Last
so far?
sweet festival, I did not eat any at all. Then at
Everything
the
is
end
so
of the
good.
day,
I like the coconut one.
Okay, I just take a video of
Coconut one
it.
is
Hold
really
on,
good.
yeah.
The fake one, I think, yeah, it's very fragrant.
Sorry.
Everything is so sweet, but
Okay.
just by eating different
New
one,
idea.
perfumed with,
That
I don't know, I'm tasting like cardamom.
they do have some herbs and all that, yeah. Good.
It's all right.
I'm glad
Just
you're
let
liking
her also
all.
try. It's
Please
a new
enjoy.
item. They say jalebi chaat. I haven't heard about it.
So
It's a new
Rippy is
Hema?
going to have this one. Yeah, Anarkali. Okay. Yeah, Anarkali नाराज ना हो जाए. देखो.
Please, Amelie.
So Naina,
I
what's
think
your
I'm-
favorite?
Sorry.
She's having some savory.
Hema, jalebi chaat. Hey, jalebi chaat.
chaat.
Woohoo.
Guys, this is something new.
New?
This is jalebi
Hi
chaat.
guys, have you tried jalebi chaat before? It's only available at Bikaner Wala, Changi Airport Terminal 3. Do try it, right? Yeah.
Wow, jalebi chaat.
Chaat. Should try Anarkali, new. I think they said that one lemon, Kaju lemon is new. Kaju lemon is new. And Anarkali.
Anarkali, disco chali.
It's Anarkali. I know, I saw your name. And I saw your name, I gave you a heart. I was like, finally. Because you've been planning and then it didn't happen.
It's a
And I
jalebi
also understand that sometimes
chaat.
if on a
Something
weekdays, I mean, if I
very
was
unique,
working full time,
guys.
I wouldn't be able
What was
to.
your favorite so far?
Yeah, it's they call it Malai chap.
Gujia. I think Gujia is
Hello.
my favorite right now, and
you
to
so
be
much.
honest, I have
Welcome.
come so
Hi.
many times
Miss
to this
Ruchi.
airport, but was never knowing that this
We
place
just
is,
wrapped up the
here,
informative
and I'm
talk,
very
and now
delighted to
everybody is
come here and
enjoying
taste it.
sweets.
I
So
think next time whenever
to sit
to the
anywhere you
airport,
like
first
and
place is
enjoy
this
the rest of
Bikaner.
the celebration. Thank you for coming.
Guys, this is jalebi chaat. And this is idli chaat. So this is idli chaat and this is jalebi chaat. Wow. Perfect snack for Diwali.
वाह मेरी दिवाली तो हो गई
Okay, so many ladies. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Diwali, guys! Happy Diwali!
Happy Diwali! Happy Diwali! Happy Diwali! Happy Diwali! Happy Diwali! From Bikaner Wala, Changi Airport Terminal. Happy Diwali! In this sweet festival at Bikaner Wala, Changi Airport Terminal 3, organized by Hull Globals Private Limited, 3 cheers for Bikaner Wala! Bikaner Wala! Happy Diwali! From Bikaner Wala, Changi Airport, we wish you Happy Diwali! Happy Diwali! Happy Diwali! From Bikaner Wala! Happy Diwali! Happy Diwali! Happy Diwali!
One word for today's event.
Mouth-watering.
Jalebi with rabdi. Happy Diwali, Guchia, and awesome food. Everything is awesome.
Happy Diwali! Make sure it's a fit Diwali. Don't be fab and fat. Because this Diwali is for you to sparkle up your own light.
Must buy Bikaner Wala.
Okay.
It's Deepavali sweets.
Yes.
Happiness with Hema, you'll always be happy. Unlimited happiness.
Thank you so much, Hema and Suchi ji, and best wishes for your company, Hull Global Private Limited.
Don't be fab, but be fabulous.
Thank you, Hema, for sharing so useful tips, and your holistic approach to deal all the problems is just amazing. So thank you for all the tips. Have a nice time. Definitely like and subscribe to Hema's channel. You won't regret. Trust me.
Hi everyone. So yes, definitely Ms. Hema is very consistent and sharing all the natural healing and all the things which may be benefited to some or other person who can definitely relate or maybe finding that particular solution. So I will definitely say like and share and subscribe the channel for more useful coming tips. Thank you.
Thank you. So, Bachchan, you want to say about today's event?
Suchi and Hema invited me over. I'm glad I came. Food was really delicious,
Absolutely.
First I tasted the naan and all those dishes, and everything tastes nicely. It's very nice.
Bachchan has decided to take some corporate gifts with her.
Yes, I'm buying her corporate gift because
Great.
it's really good.
Yeah, it's so presentable and beautiful.
Yeah.
Corporate gifts from Bikaner Wala. Do go for it.
Yes.
Great. So, hi guys. So, Jesse, you come to Terminal 3, you just take an accelerator from here, just walk straight and take an accelerator to fourth floor. And you will find this Bikaner Wala. They have amazing range of sweets, chaats, corporate gifts, and huge variety of vegetarian food buffet.
So
So Rita, what was your verdict? Like how you like the food?
Yeah, I think it's amazing. Yeah, they have a very beautiful collection, and they have launched some new charts, which could be quite a surprise because it's sweet and savory together. So I'm sure you are in for a great treat.
Yeah, jalebi chaat, yeah.
Jalebi chaat.
Okay.
So here I am. My name is Rita, and I recommend you to join Happiness with Hema. Like, subscribe, and comment, please. She is amazing, and she has a lot of knowledge to share with you. Bye, ladies.
So guys, it was really nice. All the whole event went very well. And Suchi, what was your opinion? Everybody enjoyed the sweets.
Yeah, it's like already like feeling like Diwali. That kind of a feeling. Diwali is around the corner, but today we are having these Diwali vibes, enjoying it at Bikanerwala.
Hal Global with our beautiful Insta buddies and all
So
the...
for more updates, like, comment, share, and follow Happiness with Hema.
So see you next time with another interesting vlog, guys.
Right.
Bye-bye.